Hey everyone, this is Benjamin here from the African Geek and you are welcome to this fantastic video. In this video, I am going to be walking you through the steps you would have to go through to fix the issue of having your post looking blurry anytime you post it. Because the thing is, most people get to say that I get to receive the question a lot that when they post on Instagram, their post gets to look blurry and they just don't understand how to fix this issue. So in this video, it's just me trying to help you on fixing this issue. And I know with this part of the world, I mean in Africa, most of us rely on mobile data for our browsing, mobile browsing and all of that. Okay, and the thing is, Instagram tries to help you save more data. Okay, so because of that, it gets to reduce the whole resolution of your content and all of that so that more data can be saved. And that's why you get to see your post looking blurry all the time. But we are going to be able to fix it in this video. So if you are interested in knowing all of the steps, stay tuned and I should be right back after the intro. Okay, and before I continue, I know you can hear this chicken making so much noise in the background, but pardon me and just tolerate it, okay, because I can't go out there chasing chickens around, because it will look very funny. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Instagram app, and you can see my phone screen on your screen at the moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll tap on my profile, okay, so that you see everything that you can see. Yeah, okay, so once you do that, you would have to tap on the hamburger icon at the top over there, okay, and you would have this pop-up come up where you would see all of these settings, archive, get insight and all that. But what we are interested in is the settings. So tap on your settings, okay, and once you tap on the settings, you go into account. You understand? So in account, there are so many options over there, but the one you'd have to look for is the mobile data use. Okay, so you just have to tap on that and you see use less data. So with the data saver, if you have it on, that's what is going to cause your design to be looking blurry. So what you have to do is to turn it off. Like you can see, mine is off at the moment, and that's what you would also have to do. So just turn it off, and once you do that, you go back into your account and just check your content. I'm sure you would see your content looking very, very sharp at the moment, because now you've given Instagram the go ahead to always show you crispy, is it crispy or crispy, I don't know, but high quality images once you post. So that's how to fix this issue, and I hope it's been able to help you. If it didn't help you, just let me know in the comment section. But if this one worked for you, I would want you to comment, just say it worked or something like that, so that other people can be rest assured that this is the solution to their problems. And yes, the name is Benjamin. There's no limit to creativity. Share this video, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, because more videos will be coming up for you. So yes, always remember, there's no limit to creativity, and I would see you in my next video.